Hello guys! In this lesson, we're going to talk about how to convert personal to a business account. Let's get started. If you already have created and set up a Pinterest personal profile, and you have changed your mind as you have discovered that business accounts have more features that you can use compared to a personal profile, you can easily shift to a business account, especially if you want to start promoting or marketing your business on Pinterest and you still have a personal account. You can convert that to a business account. So there's no need to create a new Pinterest account for business. Pinterest can help you get new ideas from any niche that you want to learn something from. If you have used your Pinterest personal account for quite some time now, you might have collected several pins related to topics that you liked, which serve as a reference. Having pins that belong to different types of niche will not be a good thing to see on your business profile, especially if you want to convert your Pinterest personal profile to a business profile. What you can do is set those pins to private so only you can see those pins that are not niche related to your business profile. Now let's take a look at some factors if you should convert your personal account to a business account. First, ask yourself, do you have a lot of followers now? If you already have gained followers and you don't want to lose them, then you can convert your personal to a business account. Next, will your business account use the same username as your personal profile? If you will be using the same username, like what you have used in your personal account, then it's good to convert it to a business account and keep your followers. Next, do you have marketing related pins that will be relevant to your niche as you convert to a business account? If yes, then you won't have a problem with losing your followers as they will still see the same business-related niche pins in your profile. On the other hand, you might lose your followers if you have been saving pins for personal use. The reason that these people follow you is that they are interested in those personal pins that you have collected, and converting to a business account to start sharing pins that are mostly for commercial purposes might make your followers end up unfollowing you. It's easy to convert any personal account to a business account. Just log into your Pinterest personal account, then click the down arrow on the upper right corner of your screen. Then go to Settings. From these menus, click on Account Settings. Here you can see your email address, country, gender, login options, and account changes. In this section, you can see the Convert Account button. This allows you to convert this personal account to a business account. You'll be able to keep your existing boards and pins, and easily switch to a business account. Now click this button. This page allows you to unlock the Pro Tools like Pinterest Analytics and Ads. You just need to click on the Continue button. You may notice that you cannot change your email address since you are using your existing personal account and use that account to switch to a business account. If you want to use a different email address, then just log out and create a new account. By continuing, you are agreeing to the business terms of service and privacy policy. Now click this button. You have successfully converted your personal account to a business account. You may notice that your dashboard is different from your personal Pinterest account dashboard, and you are now seeing a business hub. You can view your monthly viewers and followers here. You can also see the stats for your latest pins and promote them to grow your audience. You can also see your recent ads to see how your ads are performing here. Here you can create your pin to start reaching people with your pins. You can also add your website and connect other accounts here. You may notice in this section that you have new menus added to your home feed. You can easily access a menu to create a pin or create an ad. You also have menus like the Analytics and the Ads menu. Having a business account gives you more features compared to a personal account. You can easily convert your existing personal account to a business account without losing your pins and boards and also the followers you have gained over time. If you have changed your mind, it's so easy to go back to having a personal account. Just go to the Settings menu, click on Account Settings, scroll down until you see Account Changes. You can stop using business features and click Convert to a personal account. Now that you know about converting your Pinterest personal account to a business account, we can now proceed to the next chapter, Pinterest Profile Optimization. I'll see you there.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and go to technicforce.com for more tools and training.